Hi, I have a simple test for you to find out if you will invest successfully and reach your financial goals. And it has nothing to do with your knowledge of investing. Listen carefully to this question and answer it. Do you consider investing your money and growing it faster than inflation is important for you? Is your answer yes, no, or maybe? Or do you think it is necessary? If you think it is important, then you are unlikely to invest successfully and reach your goals. Why do I say this? Think of all the things that you consider important, like exercising, reading, good food, and regular medical checkups. And tell me honestly, do you do these things with the discipline required to enjoy the obvious great benefits? No, most people don't. But investing successfully is necessary for you because only then you will be able to meet all your future responsibilities, like your children's higher education, their marriage, maybe your own marriage, looking after old parents, and your retirement expenses. And equally important, it is required to fund your dreams, whatever they are, stuff that makes you say, yes, I lived a full and successful life. Do you now see that investing successfully is as necessary to living a full life as oxygen, water, food, good health, and a livelihood? And do you commit to making it happen? Great. Then you have taken the first step. Well done. Now, when you are committed to investing successfully, which means you are ready to do whatever it takes, you need an equally committed partner. Then, using something like just a research provider, a screener, an app, or even an advisor is inadequate. What you need is all of these and more, and a partner to work with to make it happen. Hi, my name is Raymond Moses, and I'm an engineer, entrepreneur, consultant, and coach. I'm the founder of MoneyWorks4me, and we are on a mission to partner 1 million middle-class Indians to invest successfully and reach their goals. Let me tell you a little bit about my life and my journey. I come from a middle-class family, and I've walked the path you're on. For many years, I invested on and off, using the standard products and services, and nothing worked for me. Then one day, 12 years ago, I felt miserable at not having grown my savings and frustrated that all my attempts, including the last one then of using a wealth manager, had failed despite being a successful and intelligent person. That's when I decided to commit myself to investing successfully. In 2008, I founded MoneyWorks4me and started building whatever was required to ensure that people like me invested successfully. After 12 years, 5 lakh man hours, close to 7,000 subscribers, 3 lakh registered users, 500 blogs, and personally using what we have built, I can tell you confidently that we have the system, that is, the process, the platform, and the people to partner you to invest successfully and reach your goals. So if you consider investing successfully is necessary and not just important, then continue watching this video and take the next step. This video is a bit longish because I need the time to explain to you ये सब कैसे होगा, what is partnering, and how you can do it to reach your goal successfully. Watch this video till the end. Thank you. What we have seen till now is that 1. Successful investing needs commitment, and 2. You need a committed partner to work with and make it happen. But being a partner is something lots of people promise, but very, very few people really do it. So how do you know if someone is a partner? Let me share a secret with you. A simple test. Check their goals. Partners have only one common goal. For example, partners in a business have only one goal, and that is the success of their business and nothing else. Now, MoneyWorks4me has only one goal, your success. So how does your success ensure ours? Let me explain. We are and have always been fiduciary research and investment advisors. That means we get our revenues only from your fees and we work only for your success. We do not earn any money from your investment actions like brokers and mutual fund distributors do. We have therefore zero conflict of interest. We don't even have ads running on our site. So how does this work for us? The simple truth is that you will need to invest for a long time and you will need help and guidance to do it successfully. Now we want to be your partner for this throughout. But that's not going to happen unless you trust us and you are successful. Therefore, we don't have to focus separately on our goals, but we reach our goals by partnering with you and ensuring that you reach your goals. is really a win-win partnership. Partnering is not easy, and making it possible and affordable for retail investors is even more difficult. I can guarantee that you and us, can partner effectively because we have in place the three P's required for partnering, that is, process, platform, and people. And we have engineered that these work together as one integrated system. Let me show you how. In addition to one common goal, to work effectively, partners need to agree on how they are going to reach the goal, the route to success or the process. Without this, there is room for doubts and distrust. An investing framework and decision making process that is transparent is required for real partnering. How do you build and manage your portfolio? How do we select the stocks and mutual funds to invest in? At what price? When do we sell, fully or partly? And so on. The MoneyWorks4me process is designed to help you stay invested and let the power of compounding work for you. Compounding is not magic, but it can work magic on your portfolio and convert savings to wealth if you stay invested. The MoneyWorks4me process does this by recommending only high quality assets. For example, in stocks, it recommends the best stocks and when there is an attractive upside potential. It also recommends selling when the upside potential is low to very low and moving to better opportunities. We make sure you understand the process and you know it is being followed. The second P, the MoneyWorks4me platform, plays a crucial role here and is one of the main reasons why our subscribers act on our recommendations confidently. There are many sites now and you would have visited a few, but there's a big difference and you will see it immediately. The difference is between a site presenting news, data, information and analysis, which is all programmed, versus one that enables decision making, bringing the best of technology and human analyst thinking, insights and learning. Let me give you an example. Many sites do not disclose their process, but give some data which can be easily mistaken as the basis of their recommendation. For example, when they recommend a mutual fund, they give the 1, 3, 5, 9-year past return data, but neither admit nor deny that this is the basis of their recommendation. Why? Because they know that this is not the best way to select a fund. But a lay investor can easily accept this as a good recommendation. Actually, their process is a black box, as they do not want to share that with you for whatever reasons. We created the MoneyWorks4me platform so that you can get answers to the most important questions when investing in stocks and mutual funds. How do you build a portfolio? Which are the stocks and mutual funds to invest in? Why? At what price? How much? And is the timing right to take this action? You'll be amazed how easily you can find answers to these questions and how easily you can dig deeper to get more details. For example, you can also get the fair price of our stocks since 2011. This level of transparency is what makes our subscribers invest confidently. We cover 200 to 250 of the best stocks for direct stock investments and another 500 enough to analyze all the 350 or so equity and index mutual funds. The platform is also geared to send you notification and alerts so that you do not miss out on any opportunities or actions that you need to take. And there are many other valuable things that you can do on the MoneyWorks4me platform. Financial planning, transact now, portfolio management. All these help you to take better investment decisions. And you would want to learn more about how to invest. We have a huge library of blogs and videos on our investment shastra. We have built, tested and polished these two P's, process and platform, over the last 12 years through some very tough economic and market situations. And we know that this works. Why? Because we have invested our personal money on this basis, and so have thousands of our subscribers. And 10 times more people have used the site and given us some engagement statistics that are the best in the industry. The third P is people. But let me tell you that people without process and platform that is shared with customers does not add value and mostly reduces value. Just look at the interactions you have with people who provide you with some service, especially financial services. And I won't be surprised if you have come to the conclusion that you prefer not to deal with them. So businesses that can keep human interactions to a minimum, if not completely avoid it. But you can't do that when you're advising people on investing, especially people for whom investing is too important to fail. But with the clarity we have on the process and the unmatched transparent sharing on the platform, The third P, people at MoneyWorks4me, helps us partner with you even more effectively. And our clients just love it. Look at some of the reviews they have given us. And we have clients who have been with us for years. You need to discuss things with a real person. Get answers to your questions, especially when you start on this journey or in times of uncertainty. I'm sure you recall that when you are unwell, the mental relief you got when your doctor told you, "Theek ho jaoge." And we have a great team of committed people ready and happy to help you. Just talk to any one of them and you'll be convinced of what I'm saying. Thanks for staying with me till now. You have shown that you're sincerely interested in investing successfully to reach your goals. You would also realize that there is much more to investing than some app or a site or research or advice. It requires 1. Your commitment, 2. A committed fiduciary advisor, and 3. A system that ensures your success. The important next step is starting the partnership, which requires you to make some commitment towards our fees. I will shortly tell you what the fees are, but I want to tell you that when you pay for something, you increase the chances of using that by 10x. And by paying the fees, you place yourself amongst the few who take action after understanding what is being recommended. This is the mindset that is required to be successful at investing. When we partner with you, we will do everything to convince you about what actions you need to take. However, taking those actions are in your control. Control is important for investors, and rightly so. But things start rolling only when you take the action. Now, I understand if you feel the need to be cautious, and so I recommend you start with one of these two solutions. The fees of which are 4,999 and 8,250. And you'll be amazed what you get for this. 1. You get the MoneyWorks4me financial planning tool to make and track your plan to reach your goals. You can take the help of our investment counselor to do this and also plan your next step. This is easily worth 25,000 rupees and you get it for free. 2. You can do your risk profiling and know the investment strategy that is suitable for you. This is worth rupees 5,000 and it's absolutely free for you. 3. Tools like the color-coded company 10-year X-rays. 3,500 companies are covered. Mutual fund X-rays. All equity funds are covered. Screeners to find which stocks and mutual funds are investment worthy and why, without getting drowned in data. Easily worth 25,000 rupees, you get it for absolutely free. 4. An amazing multi-asset portfolio manager to see all your investments in one place, get real-time portfolio analysis and take better decisions. Worth rupees 15,000, absolutely free for you. 5. The most valuable in my opinion. You get to do a 3-day online course on successful investing with me and my colleagues that will ensure that you use all that I've talked about and get immense value. We will be uploading this course in May. This is easily worth 15,000 rupees and you get it for absolutely free. The total worth of all this that is free for you is worth 85,000 rupees when you pay the fees, which is less than 1/10 of it, for a solution that is right for you. And I'm going to make it easier for you to take the right step because you have shown the commitment to watch this till the end and are willing to take a decision. If you're a beginner and have an investable surplus of about 5 lakhs, go for MoneyWorks4me Pro. It is an amazing solution that will enable you to invest your lump sum and your monthly savings, SIP, into stocks, mutual funds and index funds. The price of Pro is 4,999 including GST for a 1-year subscription. If you're keen on investing successfully in stocks, then subscribe to MoneyWorks4me Core 50 Superstars. You will get everything to build a solid foundation for your stock portfolio from the top 50 quality stocks through 2 powerful methods. 1. Quality at reasonable price and 2. Core SIP. You get to see the MRP or the fair value of the best 50 stocks, analyst notes, unique price charts, alerts and updates. It is a plan that all our stock investing subscribers have. The full price of Core 50 Superstars is 8,250. But if you subscribe right now, you get it at 5,999 inclusive of GST. If you have a larger portfolio and long experience of investing in stocks, you can upgrade to a larger plan later. In case you have a larger surplus, you need to partner with us through Omega, our customized portfolio advisory solution. However, you can start with the core 50 superstars, do the 3-day online course on successful investing, and understand and experience the 3 P's, that is the process, platform, and people, and then upgrade. Make a commitment to subscribe right now. For some of you, the fees amount matters, and I appreciate it, but I cannot guarantee that these offers will be available to you in the future. So please do not delay it. I want to assure you this is the best investment that you would have ever made. And I look forward to you joining me and my colleagues on the 3-day online course on successfully investing. And then there will be no looking back till you have reached your goals. Thank you.